Hello friends, today I'm going to show few crafts which are made out of waste. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. So the first craft is I've just made it with an ice cream box. Um, Here for the lid, you can mark few circles, and I'm going to cut these circles using a small cutter. Here you can also use a needle which is heated, and then you can pierce into the cap. Since I need the bigger holes, I'm using the cutter to cut them. And to the bottom part, since the bottom part is made of carton, so I'm using a paper to wrap it around. Here you can have another option, you can just paint it if you want it, because I wanted to make it simple and easy so that everyone can make the craft. So that's the reason I'm using a paper. Here I'm using a normal A4 paper, and then I'm cutting according to the required measurement of the bottom thing, and I'm using the glue. You can also use hot glue or the normal glue. To make it simpler, I'm using the glue stick so that everybody can do that. And you can also use the gift paper thing to make it more look elegant and beautiful. You can also use the gift paper. And before, if you wanted to paint, the first thing is you need to use the primer for that. And you can also use this bottom part for other pen holders or pencil holders. Here I am just peeling out the top part, since that it looks odd, the name and all the stuff. So I'm using this flower sticks, so that if you can also put directly, but it will just slide it down, it will not stand straight. So that's the reason I have used lid for it. I'm also using paper flowers. If you want to know how to make this paper flowers, it's on my channel, you can go and check it out. And these paper flowers are also very easy and pretty to make it. So I hope you like this idea. So here comes the second one, and here I'm using the egg carton. So everybody can have this egg cartons at home. It's also very easy to find it, and this craft requires only few materials required. So you have to cut the top part. As you can see, I'm just using the small cutter to cut the part. So you have to be very careful. Only this thing here is cutting the egg carton in a perfect shape is required. So that's it, and the rest other is very easy. And here you can cut few a few more, and then you start using this for a beautiful wall hanging. It's made out of it. So I'm showing you the technique how you can cut it very easily. So for this craft you require at least one big egg carton thing, so that you can cut more the caps out of that. So you can also make this craft using a paper or using the small caps, but I just wanted to utilize the shape of this egg carton, and I'm using an acrylic colors. You can also use the chalk paint or the watercolors. I find using acrylic colors is more looking good, looking pretty. So I have used different colors. I'm not using the same color for all the egg cartons. So paint it in different colors, and then let them dry. Afterwards you can use this for the so once you paint it, let them dry, and then you can use it for the craft. So here are few cartons. cartons which I have dried, and you can start piercing on the top using a needle. Since I didn't find a needle, I have used a refill in it. So you can arrange them and then use a wool or a thread or anything that is available for you. You can choose the desired length and start using some beads so that the egg carton stays in a perfect place. So since that I'm using this beads, so you can start using this needle and then insert it. So here your the bead is not exposed, but the bead keeps the carton in place. So that's the reason. And once you insert a bead, choose a length between each cartons, or you can just put it very close, or it depends upon your choice. So this is how I made it. And you so once you insert all these things, try to make many more. Here I'm showing 3 strands. So with these 3 strands I'm going to make a wall hanging. You can make a bigger one or the smaller one. So here I'm going to use a wooden stick. Instead you can also use the paper straw. Since it is to make it more natural, I'm using this wooden stick. You tie all of them and then it's good to go. You can hang it to the wall or you can hang it near the window, glass window. It looks beautiful. This is a very simple and easy craft, so that anybody can do this. Hope you enjoy this. So you can just hang it to the wall. Hope you like this craft. Very simple and very inexpensive decor ideas. For more such decor ideas, do subscribe to my channel. And here is another craft which is made out of the milk carton. You can also use juice cartons. Since this is a very thicker one, I am using this for the craft. So I have measured and cut few strips from the milk carton. This is very simple and easy wall decor. As I have arranged all these strips, and then I'm going to staple all this to keep them in place. And I took this decor as a bird and the house kind of decor, which is very common decor piece. So I have placed everything and then I'm going to staple each and everything. You can also use glue, but I find with the glue it takes more time, or sometimes it gets detached, because this milk cartons or juice cartons or have some oily kind of texture, the smooth texture, so the glue will not fix quickly. And so that's the reason. Or you can also use a hot glue gun, but I find the staple is very easy and it keeps in place. You can make it in a very like in just 10 minutes. So I'm attaching everything in a very careful way so that it doesn't lose its place. Here I have cut down few birds also from the cartoon, and then I'm attaching using the same staple method. And then you can start painting using an acrylic colors or the watermark or the watercolor paints, but I'm using the simple and easy method is to use the permanent marker, which is very easy and very handy to use. And once you have done using this, then you can attach using double-sided tape. If you don't have double-sided tape, you can use a normal cello tape which is folded, and then you can attach. This is like a very rental friendly decor idea. So here is another craft which is made out of this box. These kind of boxes you get it for the clothes, all the stuff. So here I'm marking 2.5 centimeters on all the sides. uh, I'm making marking so that I can cut the center part. So this marking can be of your wish. I mean, it depends upon how much size you want. This is the frame. So to this frame, I'm using some color paper. You can also use the scrap papers. So obviously the simple thing is the glue stick or the glue, and then make sure you cover all the frame with these color paper. Once it is done, make sure if you fold these scrap papers inside the frame so that it looks good. You can use different colors scrap papers to match, or you can also use one single, or you can also use the gift paper kind of thing, or you can no, the painting doesn't work because it's also the smoothest surface, so the painting doesn't stick. Even if you paint, a few of the letters would be visible. So the easiest method is to use the paper. As I more concentrate on budget friendly, uh, rental friendly kind of decor ideas, so most of the time I use paper or some waste material so that everybody can use and make and then decor their house. So here I am attaching a photograph. So I'm attaching it to a thick card. So then I'm using cello tape to make it stick on the four sides. That's it. Your photo frame is ready, and I just attach it to the wall. Hope you like all of the craft ideas, which are very inexpensive. See you in the next video. Bye bye.